The reality check. Let's be honest for a second. Money stress is normal in South Africa. If you're watching this and thinking, why does it feel like money finishes before the month? You're not lazy, you're not stupid, and you're definitely not alone. This video is not about blaming people. It's about understanding the system, and learning how to survive and grow inside it. If this channel helps you understand life better even once, subscribe. This is your safe place for real information. Brain Part 1, the South African money problem. Let's start with facts, not emotions. South Africa has one of the highest unemployment rates in the world, rising food and fuel prices, low financial education in schools. Most people were never taught how money works, how debt traps you, how to build income streams. Funny thing, we were taught algebra, but not how interest works. This is why many people live paycheck to paycheck, depend on credit, feel stuck even when working hard. Part 2, debt is quietly destroying people. Debt is not loud, it doesn't shout, it whispers. Just swipe the card, pay it next month. Before you know it, store cards, credit cards, loans. Fact, many South Africans spend 30 to 50% of income on debt repayment. Debt steals your future money. That's why even salary increases don't help. Quick joke but painful. Some people get paid just to pay debts, then wait for next month. Part 3, why working hard is not enough anymore. Our parents were told, get a job, work hard, retire. That system is broken. Today, salaries don't beat inflation. Jobs are unstable. Retrenchments are normal. Hard work without strategy equals exhaustion. This is why people feel burnt out, angry, hopeless. But here's the truth most don't say. You need income strategy, not just effort. Part 4, the mindset shift that changes everything. There are two types of people. People who wait, people who build. Builders ask, how can I earn extra? What skill can I learn? How can I reduce expenses? Waiting feels safe, but it's dangerous. The moment you take responsibility, not blame, power comes back to you. Part 5, practical steps South Africans can take. Let's get practical. Step 1, know your numbers. Income, expenses, debt. If you don't track it, it controls you. Step 2, cut silent expenses. Subscriptions, impulse buys, unnecessary data usage. Step 3, build one extra income stream. Freelancing, side hustles, content creation, services. Extra income equals breathing room. Step 4, learn one high-value skill. Editing, AI tools, marketing, online services. You don't need 10 skills. You need one, done well. Part 6, the future of money in South Africa. The future belongs to digital skills, online income. People who adapt will survive. People who don't, will struggle more. This channel exists to help you adapt. The promise, if this video made you feel understood, that's not an accident. This channel is here so when life hits you, you know where to come for answers. Comment, I'm taking control. Subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. We rise smarter, together.